Hey, I'm doing risk of rain. Yep, hello. English. He just died on me there. Risk of rain returns. Returning for a new video. Can you say that? Can you? No. Okay. I forgot what the buttons were. So let me look back. That's an item I don't know. Oh my god, I know that freaking upgrade sound. It's the sound effect for leveling up in, not leveling up, completing a level in a, in freaking, disassembly. Disassembly thing. Holy Jesus. Those mortals are powerful. That's a grey item as well. Oh, it's inactive. Let's see what this is. Place a marble gate. Travel back to the gate by activating it again. Ooh, so that's an interesting item. That way I can place it down in like a chest or the teleporter, then go off and go find things or go get more items. Be very useful for finding things. Yeah. God, my commentary is so dry. Oh, what? Chris, help again. What is this? Hello? Okay, I'll leave that there. For later. I wonder if doing the teleporter event would open that up. Or something similar to that, you know. I hope it is like that. If not, then, well, that's kind of sucky-ish. I've been here before. Doing my cartwheel jig. Okay, you. That does what it is. Okay, so that. Yeah, I was wondering if that was normal or was a part of like the enemy death. Oh, cool. The world of inward. That's really good. Then I can just more damage output, you know? More damage is always good. The more damage I deal, the more enemies I can pound into the ground. I'm going to shut up for the foreseeable future for what I just said. I need to watch what I'm saying, basically. I'm not sure how long this video is gonna be. I don't know how long I'm gonna last. I did kind of mess with the settings a bit. I'm not the best at this game, so a little alteration of the settings doesn't seem too bad. I made it so I take 25% less damage, and I deal 25% more damage. So What was that? Was that like something to do with the special? Oh no, that was the difficulty going up. Now we're in easy mode. Just very easy. I am on brainstorm. I do kind of keep stuck in it. Like exponentially. But hey, that's not really my fault. I found it. Magma worm. Oh Christ. Don't want it. Oh, that's true. I'm unsure what timer. Oh. What am I wondering about it? Oh, I'm also a survivor and dude. Oh, timers for how long it's gonna teleport. Didn't know that was there. That must be an update that came out. I keep trying to shoot upwards, but I'm in a 2D game. I can't shoot up. I literally only have left and right and up slightly, I guess. So I can't really shoot up or anything. Against the rules, yeah, it's one of my favorite characters. The character I play all the time in Mr. Brain 2. Mainly because of the whole homing aspect of the character, but you know, can't aim. I just playing as a okay, let's see, I think how do we play that? Oh, what a whiff. Chance to detonate enemies when killed. That's really useful. Especially with big crowds of enemies. Because then, you know, you can... If one of them detonates, there's a chance for all the other ones to detonate. You kind of get like a nice chain reaction. You know what I mean? Oh damn, I'm doing what you do damage to that guy. Oh, what are you? I don't like what are you? Oh, it's that guy. I know you're in this ring too. That wasn't the, like, reason to spawn more. Oh, the coin thing here. Money and healing, which is exponentially lovely. I don't really want to die, to be honest. A Shrine of the Mountain? Ooh, no thank you. And I ran to that was... Found the teleporter. Still haven't found... I put the teleportation thing right, which probably believe I did. We're on medium now. More enemies and even harder ones. Going to be worse for me. Where are all the freaking items, man? Like, I'm just going around the place, I'm trying to find chests to open or shrines to interact with that won't make my life harder. And all I'm getting is nothing. I'm getting absolutely ignored. No chests in my room. Which is just outrageous. Why is there a guy there? That's me, it's like the game's trying not to give me items. scared of my power. I'm joking. Help. Attacking enemies furiously. That is really helpful. I'll grab the video. It will be useful. Good stuff. I mean, not as useful as, say, I don't know, crowbar or something, but it's useful enough to matter. I mean, it's extra damage, could mean more survivability, yada yada yada, you get the point. I'm not gonna rant about how the game works. People that probably already know how the game works. But if you're watching it because it is just Risk of Rain, so you already know how the game friggin' works, and I don't need to explain anything. Especially considering this is Returns, it's just Risk of Rain 1, but with things from 2 in it. I can just walk back here. Suppose I'll head up a bit. Maybe this. I'm actually gonna jump off a cliff. Oh my god. Seems intriguing, to say the least, really. Wait a minute, what? Or is there another one? What? Huh? Ow, my HP bar! Okay, yeah, I'm going the right way to go back to the friggin' water. Gotta say, don't like how placing it down doesn't use the recharge time. I think it's good. More money. Nothing to really use it on. Speak of the devil. Utility chest. Oh yeah, he's Wallman. It's actually really good. Actually, it's not the best item, but pretty decent. Okay, whatever. Ancient Witch. I might have had to leave the war banner. I just got my absolute butt kicked and smashed. Yeah, that is very correct. Enforcer of the law. And Providence Trials of the law. Don't know who the Enforcer is. Let's have a look-see. That's cool. Like a Helldiver, but for this game. Interesting. Unique and fun, I suppose. I've just kind of been rambling on about random stuff this entire time. I haven't really been talking about anything relevant at all. Not even the gameplay either. But anyways, that was that. I was only gonna do one round anyway. Don't really want the video to drag on too long. So, see you guys next time. Remember to like and subscribe, leave comments as well. And if you leave a helpful one, then damn, what the hell's the point? Like, why? Anyway, bye.